Standing over a loaded barbell with your brain completely frozen is a specific kind of frustration that every lifter knows too well. You are 3 sets into a heavy session, and the simple math of adding 45-pound plates suddenly feels like you are trying to decode deep space signals. This is where a tool like Setgraph steps in to handle the mental heavy lifting while you focus on the physical stuff. It is a dedicated fitness tracker designed to strip away all the friction from your gym time. You can log your sets, your reps, and your weights with just a few taps. It is built for speed. The star of the show is clearly that plate loading calculator. It tells you exactly what to put on the bar, so you never have to guess again. This small feature can be a total game changer when you are exhausted and just want to get your next set started. The app also lets you build custom routines that fit your specific goals. It tracks your progress week by week, which provides that crucial hit of dopamine when you see your numbers going up. There is something incredibly satisfying about looking at a graph and seeing your strength trend upward over time. It keeps you consistent when the motivation starts to fade. When we look at the price tag, it comes in at about $30 for a year. In the world of premium fitness apps, that is actually a bit of a bargain. It is significantly cheaper than some of the big-name competitors that charge you every single month. But we have to be honest about the competition. There are very powerful apps out there that offer similar tracking for absolutely free. You have to decide if that plate calculator and the specific design of this app are worth the extra cash. There is also a bit of a red flag to consider. Some safety review sites have given this app a lower score than we like to see. While many lifters swear by it, others have reported some negative experiences that might make you hesitate. It is a bit of a mixed bag in terms of reputation. My advice is to keep it simple and smart. Do not rush into a subscription just because it looks shiny. Download the free version first. Take it through a few leg days or a heavy bench session. See if the interface actually makes your life easier, or if it just gets in the way. If it helps you stay focused and hit your numbers, then $30 is a tiny investment in your long-term health. But if it feels clunky or those safety concerns weigh on your mind, there are plenty of other fish in the sea. The goal is to move more weight and get stronger, not to stress out over the software on your phone. I have spent years putting together thousands of rapid guides just like this to help solve these kinds of real-world problems. The goal is always clarity and honesty without any outside sponsors telling me what to say. If these breakdowns help you cut through the noise, that is the ultimate win. There are simple ways to support this mission while you do your normal shopping, and it truly helps keep the advice objective. Just keep showing up, keep pushing your limits, and make sure the tools you use are actually serving you. I will see you at the next one.